Shalom. We're here in an area called Eni Gedi, an area where King Saul was chasing after David. This is the area where he was, and he was hiding in the caves. Just showing you a quick glimpse. We're down here in the Judean desert. These are the caves. You just imagine where David was sitting in there, thinking about King Saul trying to get ready to kill him. But the Creator had reserved David for a special time. So these are the caves. Just showing you a quick glimpse. If you even read, this is where Saul was asleep, and David went in and cut off the corner of his garment, or basically his fringe or zig. It showed him that he could have killed him, but he didn't want to kill the king that the Creator had anointed to put on the rule over Israel at that time. So these are the caves. Showing you a quick continue to advise you to come and take a pilot trip to the land of Israel where you can see all this. This is not something that's fiction. This is fact. This is areas where everything took place. You see all the caves. That one. Coming right there. We zoom in a little more, we can see these caves. Up there, all these caves. This is where it took place, in the Judean mountains. Okay, with that, we're going to continue on. We showed you where even the lots of the scenes was in these mountains. These are Judean mountains where they found the Dead Sea Scrolls. So we're going to continue on. We'll continue to show you, continue to follow us on our journey. Our journey is called There's No Place Like Home. There's no place like the land of Israel. With that, we say, hit that subscribe button and follow us. We say shalom.
Take care.